In 1896, Catherine Kolishkina Doherty was born into a noble Russian Orthodox family. They lived in St. Petersburg. She and her first husband, Boris Dehuk, served at the front during the World War I. After the Bolshevik Revolution, they immigrated to England and eventually to Canada. Catherine worked as laundress, waitress, and sales clerk. Later, as a celebrated lecturer, she regained her wealth. But she sensed a call from God and responded by giving away everything to live with and serve the poor, first in Toronto and then in New York City. In 1943, she married Eddie Doherty, America's highest paid reporter. Deeply in love with Catherine, Eddie gave up his wealth and position to join her in serving the poor. They moved to Canada, to rural Ontario, where they founded Madonna House, an international Catholic community of lay men, women, and priests. At the age of 79, Eddie was ordained an Eastern Rite priest. Catherine died at Madonna House in Combermere in 1985. Today, Madonna House members number over 200 and serve in 23 centers throughout the world.